Hello everybody, I'm Adrian. So I went over to the Lotus dealership to check out the Lotus Evora, and I got the chance to drive it, and I was impressed in the way the Lotus handles. So this car is actually a little bit wider than my C7 Corvette. It feels roomy inside. I like the way the car sounds, even though it's got a V6. The engine is supercharged. I was impressed in this with this car, and I also inquired about the brand new Lotus Emira that's coming up, and I like that it will have the manual transmission with the V6 engine. In my opinion, a manual transmission just adds to the driving experience. So more and more we're seeing the manual transmissions being phased out, so I think it's great that it's sticking around with the Lotus. Lotus focuses on the driving experience, that they even said they're keeping the power steering pump. Power steering pump, just you got a better feel for the road. I think the Lotus Emira will be a great handling car with daily driving in mind, because they're adding a lot more technology to make the car more usable on a day-to-day basis. So I think it'll be an awesome car, and if I were to buy it, I think I could make this a daily driver. So what do you guys think? I'm considering placing a deposit, so let me know in the comments. And while I was there, I also got the chance to check out some other amazing cars. They had a Koenigsegg Regera, a McLaren Senna, a McLaren Speedtail. They also sell Rolls-Royce, Aston Martin, Lamborghinis. So lots of amazing cars there. So anyways, let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.